Yes, hello everyone, and a very good afternoon to you all. And let us begin our ongoing topic, ongoing exercise, which is 6.3. Is it, students? Can you hear me? Can you reply so that I can check my speaker?
Sir, some external noise is coming.
Yes, good. Yes, miscellaneous exercise we have to begin. So audio video is proper, can you tell? Is it okay? Shall we go ahead? Students? Yeah, I hope it should be proper. Okay. Now students, exercise 6.3 we were discussing. We will continue that exercise and let us see the next question. Yeah, the next question is can you tell me till which question in the last term we discussed? Some questions of 6.3 we will discuss and then we shall move on to the next exercise. Can someone tell up to which question we discussed? Students? Exercise question up to 5th question I think we discussed, right? 6th, 7th, 8th इन तीन में से कोई एक डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. Probably question 8th. Let us see question 8th. Question 8th is x plus y less or equal to 9. We have to draw the graph, means we have to show the solution graphically. X plus y less or equal to 9 and y greater than x strictly and x less or equal to 0. X greater or equal to 0. X greater or equal to 0. Right. So let us draw it. X plus y less or equal to 9. I think best if we can convert it in intercept form. So let us write in intercept form. This cannot be converted in intercept form. Instead, y equal to x line we have to draw. Y equal to x is a standard line bisecting first and third quadrants. So let us draw. This is let me show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and similarly on y axis also, and connect them. So for this, which side is to be shaded? Origin side, isn't? So below the line should be shaded. Mark one arrow like this, and this line we have to draw dotted line. So y equal to x line bisecting first and third quadrant on 45 degree. Just draw it. This is. Now, can someone tell that below the line or above the line, which side I should shade? Can you tell? Can anyone tell? Origin coordinates do not put here. Any other point you take. For example, if I take 9, 0, this point is 9, 0, and if I put it here in place of x and y, so 0 greater than 9. This is true or not? This is not true. So, कौन सा side shade करें? Below the line or above the line? Below the line I should shade?
Above the line.
Above the line I should shade because 9, 0 is below the line and 9, 0 is not satisfying this inequality. It means that below the line points are not satisfying. So, on the other side I should shade. This is x greater or equal to 0 means this is x equal to 0 line. And on the right of it. So for this area and below this line. I hope you can imagine the intersection area, common area, right? On the right, above the line and this below the line. This area will be enclosed. Dotted or dots का ख्याल रखना है यहाँ पर. This dotted line जहाँ पर strict inequality है, there we have to draw dotted line only. And that's it. This is the final solution. or graphical solution of these three inequalities. Right, students? Let us move ahead. You can tell any other question also which you feel is doubtful. Suggest out of 9, 10 and 11, any one question we can take. Suggest anyone? Once I'm ready. One more thing, that questions are similar and you are supposed to solve all the questions in your notebook, right? Shall we take 10th? Will somebody read question number 10th? Gauravi Gupta, will you read question number 10th?
Yes, sir.
Please.
3x plus 4y is less or equal to 60.
Okay.
Comma, x plus 3y is less or equal to 30.
Okay.
X is greater or equal to 0. Y is greater and equal to 0.
Okay. My dear students, these two things you need not to draw separately. You don't need to draw them actually. These two things together means first quadrant. Right? X is also positive, y is also positive. It happens in first quadrant. So you have to shade the area only in first quadrant. इन दोनों का मतलब बस इतना है. Now x, let us convert these two inequalities in intercept form. Let us divide both the sides by 60 and this will give you x upon 20 plus y upon how much? 15 less or equal to 1. And similarly this two let us convert in intercept form. This will become x upon 30 plus y upon 10 less or equal to 1. Correct? Draw it. Draw them. Neatly, my xy and y axis is ready. This is 0. Let us choose the scale wisely. If I choose 1, 2, 3 up to 30, I have to go. Right? So instead, थोड़ा सा बड़ा scale ले लेते हैं. 5, 10. I think that will be all right. 5 ले लेते हैं. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Maximum is up to 30. And here too on y-axis also I have to take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 suppose. The first line on x-axis it meets at 20 and y-axis it meets at 15. So join them. Less or equal to 0, 0 will satisfy this, means origin side should be shaded. Below the line should be shaded. Do not make the whole thing shaded, only one arrow you mark just for the understanding. Now this line, on x-axis it means x-axis at 30 and it means y-axis at 10. So join them and produce both the sides. And this line too, the origin coordinates will satisfy this inequality. So origin side should be shaded for this line also, below this line. Now imagine what is the common area below this line and below this line. The intersection area you imagine, but keep in mind this too, that you have to shade only in first quadrant. I hope things should be clear to you that only this area will be the right students. This area will be the final solution area. Right. So you shade only final solution area and that is complete. This is the final area. Again and again I request that this figure should be perfectly drawn in your notebooks. Use pencil and scale. Pencil के बजाय पेन यूज कर लिया तो acceptable है, लेकिन scale का substitute नहीं है. If you don't draw without, if you don't use a scale, your figure will not look nice, right? So it should be perfect. Now all the students, let us move ahead towards the next problems. You also please suggest if any question you feel doubtful. Out of next remaining questions, we can take 1 or 2 questions. Please tell someone. कौन सा वाला डिस्कस करें?
14.
कौन सा? 13th, हाँ बताओ बताओ, मैंने 13th वाला डिस्कस कर लें। ओके चलो 13th वाले पे बात कर लेते हैं, फिर और पूछेंगे लोगों से। तो 13th क्वेश्चन पे बात कर लेते हैं। somebody from C section, Adhyan Sharma, are you listening me? Will you read question number 13th? Yes, please. Yes.
4x plus 3y is
less or equal to 60. Okay, next.
Y is greater than or equal to 2x.
Okay.
And x is greater than or equal to 2.
Okay. That's it.
Epsilon x is greater than or equal to 0.
Both are there. So that's the same thing. Either you write x. Yes.
X is greater than or equal to 3.
One more line is there. X is greater or equal to 3. Okay. Okay. So x great.
Yes. So students, I hope I am visible to both the sections. Yes, both the classrooms. Now let us convert this inequality in intercept form. So let me divide by 60. X upon 15, 15 fours are 60 plus this was how much, 3y or 30y? Can someone tell how much it was? This is 3y, so it will be y upon 20 less or equal to 1. This I have to find two solutions for this line. One solution is x equal to 0, then y equal to 0, and for this one other solution, if x is 1, y will be 2. Okay, let us draw it. And here also it is going up to 50, so I will take the scale like 5, 10. ये लाइन थोड़ी सी स्लैंट हो रही है, ठीक कर लेते हैं इसको. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, and on y axis also it will go up to 20. 5, 10, 15, 20, 15 on x axis, 20 on y axis. Yes, and origin will satisfy 0 plus 0 less or equal to 1. This is true. So origin side should be shaded. It means that below the line should be shaded. So one arrow I have marked. Now I have to draw this line. Greater or equal to is there, so dark line will be drawn. Okay, now 0 0 and 1 comma 2 should be connected. 0 0 is this point, 1 and 2 somewhere here like this, or better I should take, if x is 5, y will be 10. So 5 comma 10 will be better. 5 comma 10 here. These 2 points, let us join. This is now which side, बताओ मुझे, कोई कौन सा साइड में ड्रॉ करूं अबव द लाइन? कोई पॉइंट चेक कर लेता हूं. 20 comma 0, 20 comma 0, if I put here 20 comma 0, is this true? This is not true. This is false, isn't? 0 greater or equal to 40 is totally wrong, absurd. So if I shade below the line, it means 20 comma 0 will be declared as solution, which is wrong. So the other side I should shade, this side I should shade. Okay, now this means first quadrant, x greater or equal to 3. X equal to 3 is a vertical line, so let me draw x equal to 3. This is x equal to 3. Okay, x equal to 3, greater or equal to means the right side. Now it is very easy to imagine what is the common area on the right of this, below this and above this. I think this portion, this looking like a triangle, this area is the final solution, graphical solution for this, right students? So this is now shall we take one more question? 15th, Let us take 15th question also. All the students please see 15th question, and someone please read question number 15th. Anyone from C section? Ayush Goswami, are you listening me? Ayush? Yes, sir. कैसा समझ में आ रहा है ये? Are you getting this exercise? ड्रॉ कर रहे हो मेरे साथ या पहले ही ड्रॉ कर चुके हो?
पहले ही ड्रॉ कर रहा था.
ठीक है, सारी पूरी एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हो चुकी है?
यस सर, हमने पेपर फेयर नहीं करी.
हाँ, फेयर नहीं की या रफ में किया है? तो फेयर में मेरे साथ साथ करते चलना, नो इशू. इट मे बी टाइम टेकिंग फॉर यू पीपल. तो if today's target was to we discuss this, then today you complete this exercise in fair notebook, right? एक बात मैं फिर से सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अपना जो नोटबुक वर्क है दैट यू हैव टू मेक प्रॉपर एंड परफेक्ट, नो रफ वर्क, नॉट ऑन पेजेस, है ना. कीप ऑन योर वर्क प्रॉपरली ऑन योर फेयर नोटबुक. all the questions you have to complete. See, this exercise contains 10 questions to 15 questions. Many may be similar. You think that, suppose you have understood one question, then need not to solve all the questions. Many people become casual thinking like this. No, not acceptable all. 100% questions of exercise you have to solve. Ayush, please read the next question, perhaps question 15th. Yes, please read.
X plus 2y and then equal to 10.
Okay.
X plus y greater than equal to 1.
Okay.
X minus y less than equal to 0.
Okay. Okay. Let us draw. This means first quadrant again. Okay. This I can. Yes.
Sir, the first one is x plus 2y.
X plus 2y. Okay. Now okay. ठीक है. Okay. Now x इसको मैं लिख सकता हूँ x less or equal to y, और I can write y greater or equal to x. No problem. इसको मैं इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर नहीं सकता. I have to find its a solution, only two solution. One solution will be 0 0. One solution is 1 1. No problem. Now let us draw this. This will be x upon 10 plus y upon 5 less or equal to 1. I have divided both the sides by 10. Okay. This will be x by 1 plus y by 1 greater or equal to 1. Okay. Let us draw now. X, my x-axis, y-axis. Scale, it is going up to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and on y-axis also we can take like this 2, 4, 6. That's it. इसमें मेरा काम चल जाएगा. Now the first line, join 10 and join 5. 5 will be here somewhere. Connect them. Okay. Right. I think 0, 0 will satisfy this inequality. So origin side should be shaded, means below the line should be shaded. For this 1, 1 should be joined. This is 1 and this is 1. Join them. I think both the lines will not be parallel, will intersect somewhere, right? And this is greater or equal to 1. So 0 greater or equal to 1 is not true. So other than origin side should be shaded. So away from origin, like this it should be shaded. Okay, fine. Then for this line 0, 0 and 1, 1 should be joined. 1, 1 is this, 0, 0 is this, and dark line. Now which side, below the line or above the line? Any point you can test. Suppose 10, 0 I take. 10, 0 if you put here, 0 greater or equal to 10. If you testing 10, 0. So 0 greater or equal to 10, which is absurd. This is wrong. It means that 10 comma 0 means below the line points are not satisfying this inequality. So the other side should be shaded. Okay, that's it. All 3 lines we have drawn. इसको तो ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं, इसका मतलब है only first quadrant. Now you shade the things in first quadrant. I think the common area is this first quadrant, right students? This is. So here we get the final solution of all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 simultaneous linear inequalities. Okay, some questions which I have skipped for you people. I hope you people will find the time and you people will complete them. Okay, please complete them, and let us move ahead towards next exercise, miscellaneous exercise. So all the students, please see question number 1 of miscellaneous exercise, in which simultaneous inequalities are given. Simultaneous means you have to find the intersection of both the solutions, or if more than 2 are there, suppose 3 inequalities are there, then you have to solve each of the inequality and you have to find intersection of the solution. So all the students, please see miscellaneous exercise, and you can see first question. So Varshini, are you there? Will you read question 1? हाँ, so Varshini, पहले अपना वर्क स्टेटस बताओ. तुमने भी पहले एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट कर ली या अभी सॉल्व कर रही हो? कर लिया. ओके, नाइस. रफ शीट्स में या फेयर नोटबुक में? वेरी नाइस, नो इशू. देन यू कैन टर्न द सेम पेजेस and you can match with us, or you can again solve for revision sake also, up to you. Question number 1 of fine, then miscellaneous exercise you can solve with me. Next onwards I would request everyone that let us get tuned. जिसका कुछ work pending है, complete it and let us make our frequency same, and we both should solve together so that you also can catch my errors. Okay, Subhashini, question number 1 of miscellaneous exercise, please read.
Solve the inequalities in exercises 1 to 6.
Yes.
2 is less than or equal to 3x minus 4. It is less than or equal to 5.
Okay, so students, you can see 2 less than or equal to sign. Actually there are 2 inequalities, so you can take them separately. पहले मैंने ये ले लिया 2 less or equal to 3x minus 4. Solve, get the solution for x, then take the other inequality, solve for x, then take the intersection of both the solution. Method 1. Method 2, you can solve simultaneously together, both the inequalities together. How? That 2 plus 4 throughout. Let us see how to solve it together, both the things together. Plus 4 throughout I am doing. So 2 plus 4 will be less or equal to 3x minus 4 plus 4. 4 will get cancelled. 3x will remain, less or equal to 5 plus 4. Fine. So this has become 6 less or equal to 3x less or equal to 9. Now we have to solve for x. Obvious thing is that divide throughout by 3. Because 3 is a positive number, so it will not make any effect on the inequalities. If it is a negative number, then inequality becomes reversed. This we have to keep in mind. So I am dividing by 3 throughout. And this will give me 2 less or equal to x less or equal to 3. Right. The same thing, how to write in interval form? Then x belongs to, how to write in interval form, students? Closed interval 2 comma 3. This is closed interval 2 comma 3. This is both are acceptable. This also can be written, this also can be written. Both are same thing only. Okay, so like this. Let us see the next question, and anyone from Bhavya Verma, are you there? Will you read question number 2? Bhavya from A section, or Ayavant, are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Will you read question number 2?
Sir, 6.
Yes.
6 is smaller than or equal to minus 3 into 2x minus 4.
2x minus 4 is bracket in bracket.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Is smaller than 12.
Smaller than or equal to 12.
Is smaller.
ओके ओके, तो इसको भी हम, हाँ बोलो.
Only smaller. Not equal to.
Okay. Okay, fine. Here it is less or equal to, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So here also I can solve simultaneously by dividing by minus 3 first, or if you wish you can take them separately also. Choice is yours. This method we have seen. Now let us take both the things one by one. First let us take this. Right. If I divide by minus 3 both the sides, then it will become like this. Inequality will become reversed. Four, let us bring in this side. 2 get cancelled, x less or equal to 1. This is one solution. Now take the other thing, minus 3, 2x minus 4 less than 12, strictly less than 12. Divide by minus 3 both the sides, it will give you 2x minus 4. Sign of inequality will become reversed. Why? Because you are dividing by a negative number. So this will be greater than, right? It was less than, it will become greater than 12 upon minus 3. Which means that 2x minus 4 is greater than minus 4. Taking 4 on that side, it will become 4 minus 4, 0. 2x greater than 0, which means x greater than 0. Now join these two inequalities. X greater than 0 means x is less than or equal to 1 and greater than 0. This is the final solution. How to write in interval form? This will be x belongs to, students, 0 1, 1 per closed or 0 per open, correct? 0 open, 1 closed, right? When I was checking the tests or some assignments of some other classes, even in chapter 2 also some questions were there. Some students don't bother much about this open interval and closed interval. No, it is a serious error. Instead of open interval, if you write closed interval, or if you make a bracket like this, that simultaneously it should look like both the things. It means you are confused, Atma. So don't get confused. Learn and clear the concept properly, because this is a serious matter, right? Let us move ahead. And let us see the next question. I think the questions are up to 6th are very much similar. From 7th to 10th, some questions let us take and discuss. Anyone from B section? Deepal, are you listening? Will you read question number 7th instead of 7th?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Instead of 7th, let us take 10th. उसमें थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा चीज़ें दिख रही हैं. Deepal, please read question number 10th. Question is same. We have to solve both the inequalities, right? Yes. Please read. 2x 5 into 2x minus 1. Okay.
Minus 7.
Okay, sorry, minus 7. Okay.
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Into 2x plus 3.
Okay.
Less than equal to 0.
Less than equal to 0. Okay.
Comma.
Comma.
2x
2x plus
plus 19. 19.
19. 1 9.
Less than or equal to 6x plus 47.
Okay. That's it. Just check it. I have written correct or not? करेक्ट है. सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. दो कॉमा से अटैच्ड है, ऑब्वियसली सेपरेटली वी हैव टू सॉल्व देम. देन आफ्टर सॉल्विंग for both the solutions I have to find the intersection, common solution I have to find. So let us solve. Multiply completely. 10x minus 35 minus 6x minus 9 less or equal to 0, which means 4x. 35 and 9 how much? 44. Minus 44 sending that side. 44. X less or equal to 11. This is solution number 1. Now let us solve this. 2x plus 19, let us change the sides. 2x minus 6x less or equal to 47 minus 19. 4x less or equal to 47 minus 19 how much? 28. Minus 4x. 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. Okay, minus 4x less or equal to 28. Let us divide by minus 4. Keep in mind, whenever you divide by a negative number, inequality becomes reversed. Dividing by minus 4, x greater or equal to 4 7 are 28 minus 7. ठीक है, तो इस बारे में ध्यान दीजिएगा कि इनइक्वालिटी विल बिकम रिवर्स्ड. ठीक है, लोगों को बाकी सब तो काम बच्चों वाला है, 7th और 8th वाले भी यही करते हैं, बट यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन ना हो. बाकी ये कुछ है नहीं इसमें, इट इज़ वेरी इजी. नाउ कॉमन x greater or equal to minus 7 and x less or equal to 11. कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ खास नहीं है इसका कॉमन इमेजिन करने में. If you wish, you can draw a number line. This is 0, this is minus 7, this is 11 somewhere, right? So x is bigger than minus 7 and lesser than 11. This full portion in between minus 7 and 11 will be darkened, right? If you want to write them together, it can be written like this. This is one answer. Or if you want to write in interval form, close interval minus 7 comma 11, like this it can be written, right? So please complete it. And some questions which I have skipped before 10 for you people, please solve them also, because they are very simple, very nice, very easy. So I don't think any confusion would be there. Some word problems are there in the miscellaneous exercise, which you can see. Question number 11, 12, 13 and 14th. It's good if we solve and discuss these word problems in the next class. Apart from that, some miscellaneous example, not all, only 1 or 2, and some more questions, supplementary questions related with this topic we will discuss. Thank you everyone for attending this class. Now